Christine Martin here at the Regen Ranch in East Texas, and I am looking forward to hosting you for a 2-day workshop at the end of this month to be held here in my teaching barn where I'm taking this recording. My teaching barn is also my shipping room. Today is shipping day, and also my commercial kitchen. So the mess behind me is all the activities that I do on here. And this was an investment that I made on the ranch, knowing what my goals were for the property and for my business. And I want to help you do the same on your operation, whether you're farming or you're ranching or you're doing both. We all need to consider some of our land management aspects. During the 2 days, we will review what I mean about managing holistically. We're going to review your values and your desired outcomes with respect to finances, your quality of life, and your landscape that you're managing. And since we are managing land, there are several considerations we're going to look into. We're going to look into your brittleness, your topography. We're going to look into the fire threat that you're exposed to. We're going to consider wildlife management. We're going to consider your own predation. We all struggle with predators on our properties. We're going to consider the water flow. How does water flow on your property? We're also going to consider our production goals. Are we going to have livestock only? Are we going to have crops only? Or are we going to have a combination? What sort of management considerations will that require? And then we're also going to consider infrastructure needs. What facilities, what buildings, what roads, what circulation do you need to help manage your property in order to meet your values and your goals? We're also going to spend some time discussing design principles, whether it's permaculture or other concepts. We're going to discuss how to mimic healthy ecosystems, how to keep soil covered, and if you're managing land, how to maximize your solar energy. We're going to also discuss setting up structures and facilities so that management is easy and it's not something that you're going to keep procrastinating. We're going to talk about plant and livestock diversity. We're going to also discuss flexibility, right? Year 1 will look different than year 5 and will look different than year 10 and 20. So how do we design today for future flexibility? And lastly, we're going to discuss how to adapt to your locality, right? What I do here in East Texas is going to be different than what you might do in your operation. And then once we've considered all of these management considerations and these design principles, we're going to start looking at what is our best return on our investment. We're going to look at what will move us towards our holistic goal, what will honor our values, what will get us to our desired financial, environmental, and quality of life outcomes. And once we've established what investment we want to do, we want to take into consideration, we're going to list these as SMART goals. And by SMART, specific, measurable, attainable, rewarding, and time-bound. After the 2 days, you will leave here with a pretty detailed roadmap to get you to honor and achieve your goals, desired outcomes with respect to finances, your environment, and your quality of life. Your ranch or your farm is a direct reflection of who you are, what you want out of life. And so the roadmap I'm going to help you with will help you achieve those desires.